So 5 minutes, 10 tools. Who I am, not so important. I'm going to try and tell you what these tools are, why they're DevOps, and what benefits you can get. Like me, it's not going to be pretty, it's not going to be funny, but I hope it'll be useful. So firstly, portfolio management, project management, helps people share. This helps you share a plan, especially in large organizations, so everyone knows what's going on. Not just DevOps, product management, training, marketing, people like that. Shared plans create shared value, faster, more efficient. You know what's coming up. You facilitate systems thinking. APIs, reuse, don't rewrite, right? Aggregate, authenticate, get access, secure these APIs, manage them. This integrates diverse capabilities and repositories. It lets developers do operational stuff, lets you work with cloud services. It makes you faster, makes things cheaper, better, faster, easier. It helps people work together, especially remote teams and remote services. A one-stop shop for known good APIs will help you go faster. Test automation, being able to automate code testing. So whenever something comes out, you're prepared, you know what to test for, you know that you delivered what your product managers asked you to. It helps dev and ops make sure that code that goes into production is more stable. Delivers rapid response to changes. You know that things are going to work when it goes from dev to prod. It's going to work properly. Service virtualization. This simulates a whole environment so you can test it. So you don't have to wait to get every component in your environment ready for testing. This lets you improve code quality, get more bugs before production, put less burden on operations. It enables parallel development across multiple systems, solves the problem of having concurrent testing. That in turn hopefully reduces errors, improves time to market, and reduces costs. Continuous integration is about ensuring continuous check-in of code as it's being developed, as it's being shipped. So this smooths the flow of code from dev through to ops and further, prevents those sort of conflicts happening when you check code in. This obviously reduces conflicts, especially in an agile environment, enables that parallel development. It's faster, you're going to get better code quality, and more stable code can be released in smaller batches, which is a very DevOps thing. So I've got only 20 slides, so I'm cheating. Cloud provisioning, I'm talking provisioning and configuration management. Classic DevOps stuff, being able to empower developers to provision their own infrastructure. So this will automate deployment into test, QA, prod with minimal intervention. Again, speeds the flow, reduces conflict, minimizes these fragile objects, and improves stability. Release automation automates the packaging and deployment of new code from dev into test, into QA, into prod. This frees up operations resources, but also lets developers release when they need to, how they need to. So again, we're talking smooth the flow from idea to production. That helps to reduce cost, reduce those errors. It also integrates with provisioning tools, configuration tools, and so on. Password management, especially for big risk-averse organizations, it lets dev and ops share things like root password, admin password, DB admin password, enables shared access to multiple systems securely and with audit requirements, especially for large banks, insurance, government. So you can get the access you need without auditors and security pros and managers getting on your back. And finally, performance management. If you put new code into production, you've got to know that it's working well. So this will monitor, measure, predict, and prevent problems. Devs can use it to test code before it goes into prod so it works better. Ops use it in production to remediate problems. So it's a shared tool that helps you deliver a better capability. Better if you both use the same tool set, you can communicate and share the language as well. So I'm Andy Mann from CA Technologies. We sell some of this, not all of this. We are hiring like everyone else. We are a great company to work for in all sorts of ways. Thanks for your time.